Hey everybody, welcome to my another viral tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you access any mobile by remotely without any Wi-Fi. So this is very useful video for everyone. So if you need to access any your friends or colleagues or family mobile, then you can easily access. So for that, I'm going to start. So before we begin, please subscribe to my channel and support me. So here I have my two mobile to show you. This is one my Motorola and this is my Redmi Note 7 Pro. So here I want to connect and get access. For that I will be first of all look at this screen. This is Motorola and this is Redmi Note 7, and I am going here. You can see here, first of all I have to install one application, and that application is Anydex remote control. So I am going to install it, and same process will be downloading and installing in this mobile. So in this mobile also I am going to install Anydex remote control, and you can see here is downloaded and this is already installed. I will open this one and I will click don't access again, and I will click OK, and then I will come back, and then I will just move it. I'll just, and this is ready, man. And for this one I will open I will do the same process here also. You can see, so you can see here I have two mobile and I have got your address in both mobiles. You can see that, you can see here the number is different, and now I have to connect this mobile. Then suppose I have to access this mobile, then I have to copy this. I need this code and paste it here. So I'm going to paste it here. And the number is 951-915-402-708, and code is correct, and I will click on here, and then you can see here, please wait for the remote site to accept your session request. So you can see here I have sent request to connect, and you can see here index will start capturing everything that is loaded on your screen. So start now. I will click taken and start now, and now I will accept here. I will come down and accept here. I have accepted it. You can see I have not changed here anything. I have just changed in my mobile this one, and I have got accessed. So in this way you can access another mobile remotely, and there is no need to the Wi-Fi should be same. Wi-Fi could be another and can be accessed from anywhere. So I hope this video helps you a lot. So thank you for watching this video. Please comment how do you like this video, and if you are new, please support me by subscribing to my channel and share. So thank you so much